Humayd bin Nafi says that Zainab, Abu Salama's daughter, has narrated these three ahadith to him. Hazrat Zainab says when the father of Hazrat Habiba radiyallahu anha, the Prophet's wife, passed away, she sent for some yellow-colored perfume and a slave girl rubbed that perfume on her cheeks. She then said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I was not in need of this perfume, but I have heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say on the pulpit, it is not legitimate for a woman who believes in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and the last day to mourn for more than 3 days for any departed save her husband, whose mourning lasts 4 months and 10 days. Hazrat Zainab says that she then visited Hazrat Zainab, Jahish's daughter radiyallahu anha. When her brother passed away, she also sent for perfume and put it on. She then said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, do not need any perfume. However, I have heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say on the pulpit, it is not permissible for a woman who believes in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and the last day to mourn for a departed for more than 3 days. However, she should mourn for her husband for 4 months and 10 days. Hazrat Zainab radiyallahu anha says that she heard her mother, Hazrat Salama radiyallahu anha, say that a woman came to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, my daughter's husband has expired and she has got sore eyes. Can we apply collyrium to her eyes? Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam twice or thrice said no, and then said, mourning lasts 4 months and 10 days. In pre-Islamic period of ignorance, you would throw droppings after the completion of a year. Humayd asked Hazrat Zainab, what is meant by throwing droppings? Hazrat Zainab radiyallahu anha said, in pre-Islamic period of ignorance, when a woman's husband would die, she would enter a narrow house, wear the worst clothes, and would not touch perfume. After the completion of a year, she was brought an ass, a goat, or any other animal or bird. She would then pass her hand on it, and rarely the animal she stroked would survive, rather it would die. She would then come out of that house. She was given droppings which she would dispose of. Only then she would use perfume or some other thing. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3709.